This video will show you how to use Collaborate, also known as Blackboard Collaborate. Collaborate is webinar software, which is kind of like a virtual classroom at Minos. It's like our way that we get together in person, even though we're not actually in person. So it's very important that you're doing this using the Minos Virtual Desktop and the Firefox browser. This may not work correctly if you're using Chrome, and you may not have the software you need if you're not on the Minos Virtual Desktop. This will not work on a smartphone or a tablet. You do need to be on a laptop or desktop computer to do this. So once I've verified I am using Firefox and I am using the Minos desktop, I'm going to come down and click to enter the configuration room. This is kind of a limited room that's basically just to make sure that it will run correctly for you. So I'm going to click on the blue link, and then you probably will have a screen that pops up asking if it's okay to open this. You can click OK. You may get other prompts as well. It is okay to open or run anything that Collaborate asks you to do. Now, especially if you have a slow internet connection, it may take a while to load. If you notice, it's downloading some software for me, so this could take a bit. This will open in another window. Oh, and there we go. I do need to go ahead and allow it to run this application. So again, it's still taking a little bit of time. It's going to be opening a new window for me. It's not actually going to open right inside Firefox. So, some patience is in order, especially the first time that you've run Collaborate, or if you haven't run Collaborate for a while, because you're probably allowing it some time to download software. So now it has a loading screen, so it's going to sit here for a bit to load. If you get stuck here and it's like more than 5 minutes and it just won't load, then the good next step would be to go back to Tech Orientation and let us know in that assignment box that it wasn't working correctly. But you know what? Great, I got into the configuration room. Now, usually you would have the ability to draw on the whiteboard. You'd have a chat box in the lower left-hand corner where you could talk with the other people in here. You'd even have the ability to turn on your microphone and talk with them as well. However, being that this is the configuration room, the only thing that we really can do is to click on the microphone and do the audio setup wizard. This will do a few different things. So it'll allow us to select the speakers that we want to use. Your speakers might be a USB headset, or they might just be the speakers in your computer. It's really nice if you can use some sort of headphones, because when you're using your microphone, if you're just using the speakers, sometimes they can pick up the audio there too, and you get kind of a funny echo. However, if you don't have headphones or a headset, you can still use this with just your computer speakers. So I'm going to select just my audio. I can click play to see if this is working correctly. And I can hear audio through my speakers, so that's good. So I went ahead and hit cancel. So yes, that was a comfortable listening level for me. And now I need to see if my microphone will work correctly. So I'll click OK. When I'm ready, I can click record. And it's showing green bars here, so it is picking up for my microphone. So I can click stop, and then I can listen to myself. And I could just hear myself talking what I was saying when I was recording that. So yes, I verified that my microphone is working. If you don't have a microphone, you can still use Collaborate. We hope that you're able to get a microphone as soon as possible, but we realize that it may take you a few weeks to get one, and classes may have started in that time. So still go ahead and go to anything that's in Collaborate that you need to. You just will have to use the chat box instead of using your microphone. Oh, I guess I probably should click yes that I was able to use my microphone correctly, and great, audio setup is complete. That's all that we can do in the configuration room. So I can come and click the X in the upper right hand corner. Yes, I really do want to leave the session, just so I don't accidentally close my window and then have to load it back again. I can close this window. It does ask that you don't close it until the window has popped up. So since obviously I've done everything I need to, it's good to close it. And I can come back to this assignment, and if I had actually remembered to take a screenshot of me using Collaborate, I would paste that in here to submit the assignment, and then I would be done with step 5. If you have any trouble getting Collaborate to run, I think it's probably the hardest step of tech orientation to do, so please don't be afraid to ask for help if it's not working correctly for you. You can either contact tech support directly by filling out a tech ticket, or you can follow the directions for Help I Can't Get This to Work that are located below this assignment in Blackboard. So please do ask for help if it's not working for you.